Taking a screenshot in Windows 11 can be done using several methods, depending on your needs. Here are the different ways you can capture a screenshot. Press the Print Screen key. This will capture the entire screen and copy it to the clipboard. You can then paste it into an image editor or a document. Press Win, Print Screen. This will capture the entire screen and save the screenshot as a file in the Screenshots folder inside your Pictures library. Press Win Shift S to open the Snipping Tool. The screen will dim and a small menu will appear at the top of the screen. Drag to select a rectangular area. Draw a freeform shape around the area. Click on a window to capture it. Capture the entire screen. After capturing, the screenshot is copied to the clipboard and a notification will appear. Click on the notification to open a Snipping Tool. When you can edit and save the screenshot. Using a Snip and Sketch tool. Press Win Shift S to open Snip and Sketch toolbar, or search for Snip and Sketch in the Start menu and open it from there. Use a toolbar that appears to capture the desired area of the screen. After capturing, the screenshot is copied to the clipboard and a notification will appear. Click on the notification to open Snip and Sketch, where you can annotate, edit, and save the screenshot. Press Win G to open the game bar. Click on the camera icon or press Win Alt Print Screen to take a screenshot. The screenshot will be saved in the Captures folder inside your Videos library. By using these methods, you can easily capture screenshots in Windows 11 to suit different needs, whether it's a quick copy to the clipboard or saving a file directly.